Let's get into it. Number 1. The Roborock Q7 M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. You vacuum. Then a week later, you vacuum again. Then, again. It never ends. It never looks any different. And somewhere around the third time you're dragging the same machine across the same floors, a quiet part of your brain starts doing the math on how many hours of your life this is actually costing you. Q7 M5 Plus ends that calculation permanently. Powerful suction, full smart mapping so it learns the exact layout of every room, and a built-in mop that handles hard floors after the carpet is done. One run, both jobs. But the part that actually changes things? It empties itself. After every run, the dock automatically pulls out the dustbin. You do not touch this machine for up to 7 weeks. Set the schedule once, walk away. Come home to clean floors. That is the trade. Link is below. Number 2, the Govee RGB-IC LED strip lights. Look at any room in your home right now. One ceiling light. That's the entire lighting decision someone made when the room was built. And you've been living inside that one lazy decision ever since.
This is fine.
Govee changes the entire room in an afternoon. RGB-IC means every individual segment runs a completely independent color simultaneously. Deep layered gradients, flowing effects, combinations a single color strip can't attempt. Music sync mode reads the room's audio in real time and shifts the lighting with it. Over 25,000 reviews at 4.4 stars. Voice control through Alexa or Google. Every single person who walks into a room with Govee running asks about it immediately, every single time. Link is below. Number 3, the Ring Battery Doorbell. Someone knocks when you're not home. You miss it. You have no idea who it was, whether they left something, whether they took something, whether they'll be back. That gap, that specific uncertainty, is what this solves. Completely wireless. Installs in under 20 minutes. Head-to-toe video so you see the full person at your door. Motion alerts the moment anyone approaches, before they even reach the door. Two-way audio from anywhere in the world. Over 50,000 reviews at 4.5 stars. The gap closes permanently. Grab it in the description. Number 4, the Slage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. The key you carry every single day is a technology invented in the 1840s. Not updated, not improved. The same physical metal and pin system your great-grandparents used. And you're still fumbling for it in the dark, making spares for the dog walker, hiding one under the mat like every burglar on Earth doesn't already know to look there.
Why are you the way that you are?
The Encode replaces the whole system. Touchscreen keypad outside. Your code, your family's code. A temporary code for the dog walker that expires automatically when the job's done. Full remote control through the app. Works with Alexa and Google Home. 4.4 stars from over 16,000 reviews. No more wondering at 11 p.m. if you actually locked it. You check the app. You know. Link is in the description. Number 5, the SwitchBot Blind Tilt Motorized Blinds. Every morning, get up, walk to the window, twist that rod. Every evening, get up, walk back, twist again. Multiply that by every window in your home across every single day of your life. Nobody ever thinks about it because it's too small. But small things done every day for years are not small anymore. SwitchBot clips directly onto your existing blinds. No replacement, no rewiring. Just a clip and a charge. Light in at 7 a.m. automatically. Privacy back at sunset without standing up. Works with Alexa, Google, Siri, and SmartThings. The blinds you already own just became smart. Link is below. 5in. A robot cleaning your floors for 7 weeks untouched. LED strips turning any room into something worth photographing. A doorbell showing you exactly who is at your door from anywhere. A deadbolt that makes keys obsolete. And blinds that open themselves every morning. If one of these made you pause, subscribe. Stay, because number 6 puts color night vision eyes on the outside of your home, and number 8 lets delivery drivers drop packages inside your locked garage while you're not there. Keep watching. Number 6, the Ring Outdoor Cam, Stick-Up Cam. Outside your home, after dark, is a blind spot. Right now, anything happening in your driveway or yard after the sun goes down, you have no record of it, and will not know until it's too late.
Vincent.
Color night vision, not grainy black and white, actual color. So you see exactly what's happening at 2 a.m. Motion alerts the moment anything moves. Live view from your phone, anytime. Two-way audio, installs indoors and outdoors. 4.6 stars from over 63,000 reviews. The blind spot's gone. Description link is right there. Number 7, the Blink Outdoor 4, wireless security camera. The reason most people never add outdoor cameras is wiring. Running cable, finding power, possibly calling an electrician. A simple idea becomes a project nobody gets around to. The intention is there. The installation never is.
2 weeks later.
Blink removes every part of that obstacle. Fully wireless. 2 AA lithium batteries that last up to 2 years. 1080p HD video. Motion alerts. 2-way audio. Weather resistant. If you've been meaning to add outdoor coverage for months, this is the version that actually gets installed. Because there's nothing stopping you. Link is in the description. Number 8. The Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Door Opener. You're 10 minutes from home and you genuinely cannot remember if you closed the garage. You think you did. You're almost sure. But you will spend the rest of the drive in that specific low-grade anxiety, replaying the moment you left, trying to reconstruct whether your hand hit the button.
Papoy? Makala na papoy. No. Papoy. Ah, papoy.
The MyQ ends it permanently. Plugs into your existing garage door opener, no new hardware, no professional install. Open it, close it, check the live status. Get a notification every time it moves. And here's the part nobody expects. Authorize Amazon drivers to open your garage, drop a package inside, and close it again behind them. All monitored. No package left outside in the rain ever again. Link is below. Number 9. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Your current thermostat reads the temperature in one location, usually a hallway, and uses that single data point to control the climate of your entire home. The bedroom is freezing, the living room is comfortable. The hallway reads 70 degrees and calls the whole house done. You're paying to heat and cool a hallway. ecobee ships with remote room sensors that read the actual temperature where you are, not just where the thermostat is mounted. Every room balanced. Air quality monitoring built in. Works with Alexa, Google, and Siri. It reduces your energy bills because a thermostat that actually understands your home stops heating and cooling rooms nobody's using. It pays for itself. Link is in the description. Number 10. The TP-Link Casa Smart Plug Mini 4-pack. Every lamp, fan, space heater, and coffee maker in your home that's plugged into a wall right now has no idea what a smart home is. It just sits there, completely dumb, waiting for you to physically walk over and touch a switch. Casa fixes all of it. 4 plugs in 1 pack. Screw them in between the outlet and whatever device is already plugged into it. That device is now on your phone, on a schedule, responding to voice commands through Alexa or Google. No hub required. Coffee on at 7 a.m. Lamp off at midnight. 4.5 stars from over 40,000 reviews. The fastest way to make any home feel smart immediately. All 4 links are in the description. Number 11. The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. If your TV is still running a built-in interface that lags between apps or doesn't have the streaming services you actually use, this is a 60-second fix. Plug it into any HDMI port. Your television is immediately upgraded. 4K streaming, fast performance, and Alexa built directly into the remote. Ask it to play something, dim the lights, check the front door, all from the couch. 1 button. 4.6 stars from over 78,000 reviews. Link is below. Number 12. The Amazon Echo Dot. Everything on this list, the floors, the lights, the locks, the thermostat, the blinds, the camera, the garage, works better when it has a single voice it responds to from wherever you are in the room. That is the Echo Dot. Place it anywhere and your entire smart home becomes conversational. Run the vacuum, lock the front door, check the garage, set the lights to movie mode, all hands-free from anywhere, without touching a single device. 4.7 stars from over 193,000 reviews. One of the highest rated products on all of Amazon. The one purchase that makes every other smart device on this list easier to live with from day one. Find it linked below. 12 upgrades. Roborock Q7 M5 Plus. Cleans and mops for 7 weeks without you. Govee RGBIC strips transform any room and every guest asks about them. Ring battery doorbell closes the gap of who's at your front door forever. Slage and Code makes keys from the 1840s optional. SwitchBot automates blinds you already own. Ring Stick-Up Cam puts color night vision on the outside of your home tonight. Blink Outdoor 4 adds wireless coverage with 2 years of battery life. Chamberlain MyQ kills the garage anxiety and handles your deliveries. ecobee balances every room and cuts your energy bill. It pays for itself. Casa Smart Plugs make every device already in your home voice-controlled overnight. Fire TV Stick 4K Max upgrades any TV in 60 seconds. And Echo Dot ties every single one of them together with one voice. 2 picks if you're only starting today. The Roborock and the Echo Dot. One handles the task everyone hates most and never returns. The other makes every device on this list smarter from the morning you plug it in. Amazon prices shift constantly. If something here caught your eye, do not sit on it. Subscribe for a list like this every single week. Drop a comment. Which upgrade are you making first? All 12 links are right below. Go watch our last video. Worth your time.